welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on an examination. This will serve as your qualification for a task in TOLOKA Yandex called Check Sentiment Annotation Mistakes. Let's go ahead and take the test. All right. So the questions will be, let me pull up the instructions for you. So in this task, we have an exam quality control system. After taking a training, you will have to pass an exam to get an access to the real tasks. The exam will not be paid if completed below 80% correct answers. Successfully passed exam is paid at 0.05 cents per page. Okay, so these are the example. Comfortably fits three adults. That's positive. Um, these statements here or phrases are negative. Okay, let's close it out. So this the range is extremely versatile. Focus quick and precise. Color and quality of my photos really not that heavy. Used as this is going to be yes. Question will be all positive and negative annotations are correct. I do not see any negative annotations here. Moving on to the next is this harness fits the bill. Reasonable price. It's a yes as well. Moisturized. That's positive as well. This top exceed my expectation. Fabric moves comfortably. Neckline, swimsuit cover up, wear with leggings, wear throughout the summer, comfortable office setting. So that's a yes as well. Screen went blank. You can see absolutely nothing. Love the screen size, picture quality. Um, so all the annotations are correctly marked to submit it. Moving on to the next is this. Durable, high quality set. Connectors and handles are included, much better than traditional weight. Includes latex loop bands, great quality, provide a complete fitness workout. Various resistance strength level bands. Bands are stackable. That's all. All the positive annotations are marked. There are no negative annotations here. Big bag is very solid, going to last me a long while. So many compartments, nice setup, portable battery charges backpack. Straps are very cushy, feel nice. It's a yes as well. Less expensive. It lasted over a year. Deal with small particles. It works on clearing smoke. Easy to install. The replacement. No tools required. That's a yes as well. On the loud side, positive. That's a yes as well for me. Fits easily, looks sleek. Those are all positive annotations and they are marked correctly. All tasks are completed. Let's go to task list. So that's actually it. Let's try to start it. Yep, so we pass it. The pay for this one, if I go back here, is going to be 4 cents per page. So that's quite good, given the task at hand. It's really easy to work with. Again, that is the training and qualification for a task in TOLOKA Yandex called Check Sentiment Annotation Mistakes. I'm going to go ahead and start working on it. I hope this video helps you out. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel, this channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. We also have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Please join us there. Have a good day and thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost. Bye for now.